Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning,
How
everyone.
are you,
Open your
ma'am?
books.
How are you, ma'am?
Fine, thank you.
Ma'am.
I'm fine, thank you. Are you ready with your workbooks?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so please open page number 32.
Big workbook.
Yes, page number 32.
Okay, ma'am. Take it.
Yes.
Ma'am, take.
Okay,
Workbook.
yes. On page number 32, that exercise 3.4 we already have done last time.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Now look
Yes.
at the next one, which is I write. Okay? Exercise 4.1.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, exercise 4.1,
One.
which says, now please listen to the question carefully and then you can start doing. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Describe the animal and person in the picture. Okay, you have to describe the animal and the person seen in the picture. You have to write it as a paragraph, not as points. Okay, you have to write it as paragraphs. To write the paragraphs, hints are given. Okay, you can use those hints or clues given over there and write a paragraph about the picture. Okay, have you
Yes, ma'am.
understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Do not answer those questions given over there. For example, the first question, which animal do you see in the picture? I see a dog in the picture. Don't write it like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Write it as a paragraph.
Oh,
Okay, I will give you 5 minutes.
I
Do
see
it.
dog. Ma'am, which page?
Zenicia and Serafina, for both of you, page number 32, exercise 4.1.
I see dog. In evening. Then it's in the link.
few of you all have joined late. We are doing page number 32 of the workbook, exercise 4.1. Anybody has finished? Nora has finished. Yes, Parvana has also finished. Agnes. Adnan.
Teacher.
Okay.
Ma'am, page number
32.
32. Okay, ma'am.
Done? Okay. Nora? Pranav is still writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
I'll give you
ma'am.
2 more minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second, Nora. We'll just wait for 2 minutes more. Let them finish.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am. Finish.
Oh. Okay. Nora, yes. Please read yours.
Dog guards our house. Dog helps who are blind people.
Okay. Anybody else?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Aryan.
I seen dog in the picture.
Mm.
The dog name is Rocky.
Mm.
Then my name is Aryan. Aryan is
Mm.
waiting,
Mm.
wearing
Mm.
yellow t-shirt and blue jeans. The Aryan looking the children playing in the park. They also play with their friends in the park.
Okay. Good, Aryan. Good attempt.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Janicia.
I see a brown colored dog which is wearing a red belt.
Mm.
Its name is Mickey
Mm.
and
Mm.
standing
Mm.
near
Mm.
his master.
Mm.
Rohan
Mm.
Master Rohan, he is wearing a yellow
Hmm.
t-shirt
Hmm.
and a blue jeans.
Okay.
Both
Yes. Okay. Actually, I will. For anybody else wants to try? Yes, Aiden. Aiden, yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
The dog seen in the picture.
Louder, please. I cannot hear
Alex
you.
and the dog
Hmm.
seeing
Hmm.
see in the picture
Hmm.
Alex and
Hmm.
Jimmy, the pet dog.
Uh,
Alex is wearing
hmm.
t-shirt
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
pant.
Hmm.
Alex
Hmm.
and Jimmy
Hmm.
looks happy.
Hmm.
They are playing.
Hmm. Okay, very good. Yes, Pranav.
Tindu and Tindu has a cute pet dog.
Hmm.
Its name is Kichu.
Hmm.
Its color is brown.
Hmm.
Tindu and Kichu always have fun together.
Hmm.
Finish.
Okay, very good. Yes. Okay, Nora, did you understand how you have to write now? Yes. Okay. So I will just take the example of what Aryan or Aiden or Pranav has said. Okay. There is, I'm just giving my example. Whatever you have written is correct. Okay. It's not wrong. There is a brown puppy named Mickey. Okay. There is a brown puppy named Mickey in the picture. Yes. Okay. So Alex and Mickey are good friends. Alex is wearing a yellow t-shirt and blue jeans. Both of them look happy together. They are planning to go for a walk, or they are planning to go and play with the other children in the park. Okay, whatever Aryan, Aiden, Pranav have said, it's correct. I am just, and Janicia also, I'm just mixing up the sentences and I have made up a paragraph. Okay, now others, have you all understood? Yes, how to write? Good, all of you, good attempt, good. Yes, now please open page number 36. Page number 36. Okay, yes. Exercise 2.1. Find the following words related to movement in the word search puzzle. Simple one. All of you can do it. Find the words skip, walk, march, crawl, jog, kick. Finished. Okay. This shouldn't take so much time.
No, ma'am.
Those of you who have finished this can do exercise 2.2 also. Again, you have to match the words with the pictures over there. You are given the words related to movement. You have to match it with the pictures.
Ma'am, finish.
Do 2.2 also.
Ma'am, page number what? Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, let's finish.
Yes, finished. Okay, exercise 2.1. Where is skip? Skip. Where is skip?
Finish. First line.
First line, yes. Okay, next word, walk.
Walk.
Third line.
Third line. Third line.
Okay. Then march.
Second line.
Ma'am, finish.
Third.
Tell me, is it vertical or is it horizontal?
Horizontal.
Horizontal, third line, yes. Okay. Crawl,
Last.
Last one.
last line, vertical, yes.
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 Okay, jog,
Jog.
Horizontal.
last line, horizontal, yes. And the last word, kick.
Kick. Horizontal.
Horizontal line, where?
No.
Yes, just above jog. Very good, very good. Okay, now what about the second 2.2? Stretch. Which picture is stretch?
Third.
Give me the alphabet. Huh? C. C. Okay. Push. E. Wave. F. Tiptoe. A. Dive.
D.
D. Okay. Fall. P. Yes. Good. Okay. Very good. Yes. Now close your workbooks. Close your workbooks. Yes.
Yes.
Ready for the test? Emmanuel, please mute your audio. Okay. I hope all of you have joined. No network issues. I'm going to send you the link.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, get.
Yes. Not get, got.
Got, ma'am.
Yes. Do it.
Devi Nandi.
Maya, please mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Those of you who have not read the questions properly have not scored 10 out of 10.
I'm finished.
Yes, yes, I can see the marks. Yes. Finished all of you? Okay, how many more still writing? Aiden finished. Ameya, Anna Mere. Okay, good. Adnan, what is the lookout point? Adnan, what is the lookout point? What is the lookout point? Yes, Rex.
A safe place to watch something.
Safe place to watch something. Yes, that is the lookout point. Right. Okay, Diya, Tiva. Devamitra. Where are you? I don't even see you for the classes now. Let me see you. Just switch on your video. Devamitra, what is happening? Not coming for classes? Huh? You've scored less marks also? Okay, fine. So almost everybody has finished. Yes, okay. So we just have, that brings us to the end of the travels of Ravina Auntie. Okay, we have finished the chapter, question answers. I have sent the question answers through WhatsApp for those of you who have not completed. Please complete it. Class test is over. Now we have one more lesson to finish. Okay, we will start that lesson in the next class. Right, so for today I shall wind up here. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye.